Room 5 campus has made a rap about camp. We will now share it with you. We're all off to camp, you know.
We're all off to camp, you know.
It will help us flourish and grow.
It will help us flourish and grow.
We are travelling down in cars.
We are travelling down in cars.
We might sneak some chocolate bars.
We might sneak some chocolate bars.
We'll be eating snail stew.
We'll be eating snail stew.
Most of us will say oh
Most of us will say oh
oh. Eating rabbit in a stew.
Eating rabbit in a stew.
Maybe it's like kangaroo.
Maybe it's like kangaroo.
We are going to eat possum pie.
We are going to eat possum pie.
It's a real yummy pie.
It's a real yummy pie.
Hunter is the best.
Hunter is the best.
After that we'll have a big rest.
After that we'll have a big rest.
We'll chill out and win in the pools.
We'll chill out when in the pool.
Next thing you know we're back at school.
Next thing you know we're back at school.
Daniel's dad will be up at night.
Daniel's dad will be up all night.
Ready to give us all a big fright.
Ready to give us all a big fright.
Climbing up the rock wall.
Climbing up the rock wall.
Hope we don't crash or have a fall.
Hope you don't crash or have a fall.
We will kayak round the lake.
We will kayak round the lake.
Paddle well for goodness sake.
Paddle well for goodness sake.
We will all work as a team.
We will all work as a team.
On the fly box across the stream.
On the fly across the stream.
Kiwi tuatara we will see.
Kiwi tuatara we will see.
Protecting our environment, leave it be.
Taking our environment, leave it be.
Cleaning, packing, tidying up.
Cleaning, packing, tidying up.
Home we're head, we've had enough.
Home we head, we've had enough.
We'll zoom down the loot real fast.
We'll zoom down the loop real fast.
If we do, we'll have a blast.
If we do, we'll have a blast.
If Mrs. Boy's girly and grumpy,
If Mrs. Boy is rowdy and grumpy,
our road home will be very bumpy.
our road home will be really bumpy.
Campus cool, campus the best.
Campus cool, campus the best.
Now we have to clean up the mess.
Now we have to clean up the mess.
Bet Mum and Dad have missed us heaps.
Bet Mum and Dad have missed us heaps.
Home we head to enjoy a big sleep.
Home we head to enjoy a big sleep.
Thank you, Room 5, your item was awesome.
Did you stop it?